how are you all doing? Thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate you. If today is the first time you are coming across us, or you are seeing this face for the first time, please do well to like our videos and share. In this platform, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So please sit back, watch this video carefully, drop your opinion in the comment section, and I'll be right back.
na ibe anyị na ife a na-eme ọwa ọkụkọ ọlụ ife ahụ na Lagos ka anyị bịara ebe a ka anyị mee PVC wee jụ na ndị Igbo anyị eme PVC ihe akịta ahụ ife anyị na-eme experience ebe a na ịghọtago na ndị Igbo anyị eme PVC ife niile a na-eme ala ahụ ebe a kịta ka anyị mee PVC iwu ndị Yoruba ọ n'onwe ka isi asụ Yoruba ọfụma debe ahụ n'iwu onye Yoruba iji mee ka ebe a mba ndị chifu ha nọcha ebe a na ndị Igbo anyị eme PVC anyị agbagharị ana ka anyị agbagharị maka onweghị isi n'ọkwa ka onye ọ na-ada wee ndị obodo ahụ ekwe ka ndị Igbo mee PVC ife niile a na-aba wụcha ndị Igbo ịghọtago ọga bịagolu ọga bịa ngo ka m na-agwa bịa nwere rịpọtụ m na-eme maka ife iji ma idea were eme vidio ka m nye rịpọtụ maka ka ife na-eme aba ka iwe oke kọwagolo anyị
ndị ha chọrọ ka eme ihe abụ ndị be awa bụ ndị Igbo gara ebe ebe a na ọma ka eme PVC a na-arịkwa mbiko since ụtụtụ ekwe ha
since 7 o'clock
ka a na-ebe ekwe ha si na ebe ndị obodo mgbe na-ekwe na-abụ ka na chapụ ka nwa Naijiria asị na ọgbasa ike gwụrụ
Igbe unu n'anya kịta ọ na-afụkwa ka a na-emekwa ife dị ụlọ ha metụ na ndị Igbo ekwuo ka ndị Igbo rejista for PVC now the main thing. So
they say all Igbos should go to their state and vote.
This is obvious. We all have seen it that nothing is going to take place. We all have seen the discrimination among these people. The fear of them not allowing the people from Southeast to have their PVC is because they don't want them to vote for any other person, of which they knew very well that they won't be voting for Ahmed Bola Tinubu. That is why they are preventing them. This is clear reason for you to know that the country is not for you. You need to look for your peers. These people, they don't need you. They don't want to have anything to do with you. They support their own. This is another eye-opener for the people in southeastern part of Nigeria. You can see what is going on right now in Oduduwa. The Yorubas, they support their own because their own supported them. When they were in need of these people, and when they were in need of help, support, Bola Tinubu was there for them. Example, do you think that Sunday Igboho, Muhammadu Buhari released Sunday Igboho just like that? High-profile personnel from Yoruba land like Bola Tinubu were involved on this case. He mounted his 100% support for these people. That is why you see that they are not saying anything, they don't understand anything, they don't obey anything, any name also more than the name of Tinubu. This is an eye-opener for everyone. Yorubas, they've supported their own. Let's do the same. You see, because of this PVC, our people in Alagba, they did not open market today in Lagos State. They made the announcement yesterday that all of them must close down, that all their stores must shut down so that they can be able to go and collect their PVC. And what happened? They turned them down. This is for you to know that Igbo presidency, as people may say it or as people may shout it, is not going to be possible, because the threat now for these people is that they are going to cast their vote on Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And it is obvious, if you see this thing at times, people will be Biafrans, they will be drawing Oduduwa, drawing them. If you notice, I'm not trying to discriminate these people, but if you notice, they don't draw the Biafrans the way the Biafrans are drawing them. I must say the truth, they don't do it. The Yorubas, they've already support Ahmed Tinubu. That is just the truth. They've supported him. They've given him their support. They've thrown their weight on him, that he is the next man standing for them. This is a kind of good in one way. Why I say it's good, because it will make the leaders in Southeast to understand that they need to take care of their own, because if they did not take care of their own, nobody will take care of it for them. If you notice what happened, Ahmed Bola Tinubu is among those people that fight for the release of Sunday Igboho. Quote me anywhere, I will tell you the truth that Ahmed is part of people that press the button for them to release Sunday Igboho. You won't believe it. But today, who is that man that is really ready, that Igbo presidency that said, let me stand for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, so that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be released? No way. I'm just telling you, I don't know if somebody is getting me. Ahmed Bola Tinubu stood for this Oduduwa during the time of Sunday Igboho, doing his underground work. This is underground. This is where power talk. This is where influence talk. They are afraid of Bola Tinubu. When he talk, all of them, they listen because he's their godfather. And when he opened his mouth to talk about Sunday Igboho, they release Sunday Igboho. Now tell me, which of the governor or leaders in southeastern part of Nigeria that said, oh, it's okay, enough is enough, before this election will take place, they have to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, blah, blah, blah? Who is that person that stood to say it? Nobody. Only what they will say, we put Mazi Nnamdi Kanu at heart. What he's saying is not true. What he's saying is not correct. If all the governors in southeastern part of Nigeria march to Abuja, tell them that no. If it's Hausa man, you release him. If it's Yoruba man, you release him. But if it's Igbo man, he should be there.